Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie, and in this week's video, we are coming to you from Merida Mexico. And I thought I would kick off this series with a tour of our Airbnb, which is something I'd love to share with you guys. This is our most expensive Airbnb that we have ever stayed in. It was $1,980. Ooh, that was a lot, but we are here. It is a more expensive city in Mexico, and we're in the winter, so you gotta pay if you want to get out of the cold. So let's kick off the tour. We walk into the Airbnb, into the kitchen, and I'll show a clip here of the outside of the Airbnb so you can see what that looks like. The kitchen is pretty good. We have a 4-burner cooktop, no dishwasher. Actually, we do. It's Garrett. Sink, washer dryer combo, toaster oven, coffee pot, fridge. Fridge is kind of loud. There is a ceiling fan in here, and the dining area is also here. Now, there is no air conditioning in this room, but as we move back into the living room, we'll get some air conditioning in here. One thing that I really love about this place is the ceiling height. These ceilings are probably 15 feet. Garrett and I were debating 14 to 15. It's probably 16 because, you know, we can't measure very well. This couch converts into a sofa bed. We'll never do that. We're not having anybody here with us, but it's fairly comfortable. We have a big TV, and I did find an English-speaking channel, so that's a plus. I just noticed that we have hammocks that we can spread out across the room. We probably won't do that. And air conditioning, ceiling fan, cute decor. Pretty clean here too for the most part. When we walk in this way, we will be in our bedroom. It's really cute. I like the touch of the wallpaper on the back and the doors as the headboard. The bed, I did not find comfortable at all. Garrett loved it though. It's hard as a rock. That's his jam right there. Anyway, if we go this way, we have a bathroom. I'll let Garrett go in there and give you a tour of that. But guess what? It has all the bathroom things. A shower, a toilet, and a sink. Everything we need for 30 days here. And if we come outside, we have our backyard, which is pretty nice. We have 2 chairs, and we have a little tiny pool. Now, what I will say about the pool is it's covered. We have not, Garrett touched it last night, and it was cold, so not sure we'll use it or not, but that's a tour of our Airbnb, and come back in a couple of weeks, and I'll share with you what I would do to take this to the next level. Hey guys, we are in Merida, Mexico, and we made our way over to the Super Aquí grocery store today for our first grocery haul. We spent $1,154.99 in pesos, which equates to $67.41. Here's what we got for that. We have some paper towels, some toilet paper, some breakfast bars, some cream cheese, some eggs, 1 stick of butter, some chicken, that's for dinner tonight. We're gonna try some spicy ramen, chicken ramen, a box of blueberry Special K, original Special K cereal. Then we have salsa, mustard, ham, salt. There's no salt or pepper here. A can of peas. These Fritos look pretty interesting. Chorizo with chipotle. Regular tortilla chips. Jalapeno chips. Some green onions. Some apples. Some napkins. I had a sweet tooth. I'm supposed to be on a diet, but I got cookies anyway. Rice. Conditioner, and then we have this jug of water, and I have 2 10-liter bags of water or jugs of water in addition to that, and that's what we got. We would have gotten more, except I was being prissy and decided I wanted to take $8 Uber ride each way to go to Walmart and see what they have.
So it's our second day in Merida. We went to Walmart. It took us 2 different bus rides, about 35-40 minutes, and then we shopped and took an Uber home, which was about $7 including tip. We spent roughly $119 on everything you see here. Here's what we got. We have some tortillas, 3 chicken ramen, 6 iced teas, which I hope I like because I can't find Monsters, 2 Diet Cokes for Garrett. We also have some sunscreen that's reef safe. We have some salad dressing, some Listerine, some shampoo. They had shampoo here. We just did not like it, so we went ahead and bought some. We bought lotion. They did have lotion here, but we did not like what they had. We bought hand soap to have in the kitchen. There was no hand soap in the kitchen, and we did not want to use the dish soap. Coors Light, believe it or not, was cheaper than Tecate, so we got 2 12 packs just because we took the Uber. We got all as much heavy stuff as we could. We have some little carrots to eat, a bagged salad. We have 2 tomatoes, 2 potatoes, a cucumber. We have pasta sauce, 2 Cokes for me, some mayonnaise, some black pepper. There was no salt or pepper, so we had to buy that here. 2 cans of tuna, 1 can of peas, the Airdez peas. We were not a fan. Some pasta. These jalapeno chips are rock and roll, so we got another bag of those. Garrett got some lemon and salt Fritos, 2 more packets of chicken, hamburger buns, 2 packs of lunch meat, bruschetta chips. We use these as croutons, a pack of hamburger. This is right at a pound or a little over. And then we got 6 burger patties already patted out. And I don't remember if I said a cucumber, but we have a cucumber as well. And that is what we got for $119, including Uber ride. I guess I did include the bus ride. That's an extra $1 or $2.
I hope you liked this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. Next week, we're still in Merida. And check out our blog, slowtravelchronicles.com, Instagram, also Slow Travel Chronicles. We'll see you next Thursday. Have a great week.